Nakikita nyo yung nasa video. Ayan. May lumalabas na liquid na itim sa ilong niya. That is mucormycosis, a fast-spreading and aggressive fungal infection. Minsan, kailangan pa ng surgery kapag nagkaroon ng fungal infection sa balat or sa ibang part ng ating katawan. Hindi lang kasi sa ilong yan, kundi sa ibang part pa. Minsan nga, nasa brain. Mucormycosis mostly affects individuals with certain risk factors like diabetes or weakened immune system. So, ibig sabihin yan, dalas po yung mga mahina immune system na medyo maiedad na. Diba? Kapag po ganun, minsan may mga problema sa dugo, mga may diabetes, may mga hypertension, may mga kidney problem, ayan. So, yung may mga sakit, mabilis pong dapuan nitong fungal infection. Pero, hindi lang sa may mga risk factors, kagaya ng mga ganyang sakit, kundi kahit sa healthy individuals, pwede pong magkaroon ng ganito. Kagaya ng nga sa video, nakita ninyo, diba, sobrang bata pa. So, may kakwento ako na isang case report details a healthy 24-year-old man who, after a wisdom tooth extraction, rapidly developed a severe infection, rhinocerebral mucormycosis. So, ibig sabihin nun medyo ang infection nasa ng brain, di ba? Within just 4 days, he suffered facial swelling, vision loss, and mental deterioration. So, ang bilis, di ba? Fungi from Mucorales order, especially Rhizopus species, are responsible for this condition. These fungi can invade through inhalation or wounds and spread quickly, damaging tissues, blood vessels, and even the brain. Diagnosis requires a high level of suspicion, especially in the patients with diabetes, and must be confirmed with imaging and tissue samples. Early and aggressive treatment with antifungal drugs like amphotericin B and isobuconazonium combined with surgery. So, di ba, sabi ko kanina, minsan kailangan ng surgery talaga sa ganyan. And then, although the patient survived after extensive treatment, he faced long-term consequences, including vision loss and facial nerve damage. This case highlights the importance of early detection and treatment of mucormycosis to prevent severe outcomes. Talagang, napaka-rare. Pero, aggressive na infection. Kasi, mabilis kumalat. Days pa lang, sobrang bilis. Ayan. So, dito sa Pilipinas, rare yung gantong cases. And, buti na lang, rare. Kasi, kung may ganyang case, madalas mahirap.